The time that you jump rope can make a big difference in your experience in jumping rope. In this video, we're going to discuss the 2 different times you can jump rope. In the morning, a la before work, or in the evening at night after work. While there is no perfect time to jump rope, you might want to start jumping rope early in the morning. In this video, I'm going to tell you the pros and cons of jumping rope early in the morning. Jumping rope can be as good as your morning coffee. You'll get up, you'll feel refreshed, you'll feel just ready to go. Once you get up and jump, you'll just feel like your day got started so early that by the time you get to work, you'll already just be ready to work, ready to go, and you might not even need to get that caffeine fixed. You'll also get a sense of accomplishment. You'll really feel like you accomplished something before your day even started. This will help you make healthier choices and just do and feel better. Now, once you start jumping rope early in the morning and you get used to the schedule, it'll create regularity. All of a sudden, you'll get up every morning at a certain time and your body just won't feel right if you haven't jumped rope. So once you get started, it kind of just keeps you from doing anything else. There's less distractions in the morning, so you'll be able to just keep that schedule a little easier. That cardio session early in the morning can vastly increase your metabolism. After a glass of water, your body will release waste and get accustomed to a sweat session, which would increase your metabolism. Adding cardio to your morning routine can actually make you more productive at your job. Research has found that exercising in the morning has a beneficial effect on energy levels, alertness, focus, and decision making, which can translate to a more productive workday. Now, with yin, there has to be yang. Here's some of the drawbacks for jumping rope early in the morning. If you jump rope early in the morning, you might notice that it takes you a little longer to warm up. This is just because your body's core temperature is simply colder, and this is a fact for everybody. You wake up, your body's core temperature is colder, so it literally takes you some time to warm up and really get a good cardio session in. Your heart rate is also slower in the morning, which also contributes to needing a longer warm-up. So if you really want to work out in the morning, you're really going to have to find something that helps you warm up. I normally like to just do like an easy set. I'm not counting, I'm not doing any type of timing. I'm just jumping just to get my body ready to go. If you're not getting enough sleep, you might interrupt a good deep sleep. Depending on your sleep cycle, an early morning alarm might puncture deep sleep. This can result in you feeling groggy and chronic fatigue if this happens too often. You're normally not at your peak physical condition if you start out working out in the morning. Most people don't just get out of bed and be just ready to go work out. You kind of have to warm up. As I said previously, warm-ups are super important. So you get ready, you get a good stretch routine, and you'll be ready to go. While you're not at your physical peak, you'll be able to do it with less distractions. Now you know what it's like to jump rope in the morning, the benefits and the downfalls. Now let's compare that to jumping rope at night. Depending on your work schedule, working out in the afternoon or at night might be best for you. I'm here to let you know all the benefits of you working out in the afternoon or the night. Truth be told, I mostly work out at night. I work out after work. It's just when I feel better, and it's best for my schedule. So don't feel bad if you aren't 5 a.m. get up person. Neither am I. And actually, research shows that you physically feel better in the afternoon than you do in the daytime. Muscle strength, flexibility, power output, and endurance are all better in the evening than in the morning. Plus, people who exercise in the evening take up to 20% longer to reach their point of exhaustion. And that means you have more energy and more power to work out in the evening. A major benefit to work out in the evening is your core temperature is just warmer because you're moving throughout the day. This is a fact for everybody. In the evening, you've already moved around and warmed up your body and got it ready. So now it's ready to work out. So you're a lot more limber, you're a lot looser. Don't get it wrong. You should still stretch. You should still do some type of warm-up activity. But you are a lot more warmed up in the evening than you are in the morning. Let's get a little scientific. Testosterone is important for building muscle in men and women, and your body might produce more of it during the afternoon workouts than the morning workouts, resulting in a greater strength and muscle gain. And this is also important if you're trying to lose weight. Jumping rope at night can also serve as a good stress reliever after a long, tough day at the office. The surge of endorphins you get during an afternoon jump rope session can be a sweet nightcap that helps you wind down before bed. Jumping rope at night can help replace some of those bad habits that you have. If you want to replace bad habits like snacking, drinking, smoking, or watching too much TV, allow jump rope to swoop in and take their place. Once you get in the practice of jumping rope at night, you might be surprised that you don't even miss those old habits. Now you know I can't give you the good without giving you the bad too. So here are some of the drawbacks to jumping rope at night. If you start jumping rope a little bit too close to bedtime, it could interfere with sleep. Now this is not for everybody. Everybody don't have this problem. Some people can jump rope, take a shower, and go right out, no problem. But for some of us, it causes us to be too energized and ready to go. I know if I work out too close to bedtime, it causes me to stay up for a few more hours because I'm just energized and ready to go. Some researchers find that you shouldn't do any kind of exercise at least 90 minutes before bedtime. So keep that in mind if you're considering jump rope at night. Another problem with jump rope at night is you might just be tired from the long day. Afternoon and evening workouts might interfere with daily responsibilities, especially if things tend to pile up during the day. So do remember that you're not jumping rope for a long period of time. You're jumping rope maybe 10 minutes. So if you can't fit 10 minutes into your schedule, that's on you. You're not jumping rope for hours, so it shouldn't be a problem to say, hey, I'm watching TV, I can find time to jump rope. I want to go out with these coworkers, but I'm going to jump rope first before getting those calories in. Remember, it is your responsibility. Nobody else is responsible for your health other than you. No matter what time you jump rope, you probably want a jump rope mat. And if you're not sure about jump rope mats, check this video right here. I'm sure it'll help you. And as always, just start. We're about being perfect later. Peace.